Welcome to Mission Public School District. This is the site of our new forest school. Children will be out here exploring the creek, finding frogs, learning about this natural riparian habitat. We have a beautiful post and beam building that's through there. They'll be learning all about this wonderful area that we live in. We are privileged to be on the unceded ancestral territory of the Stalo people. That includes Kwantlen First Nations, Lekamel, Matsqui, and Scowlitz. We are excited to be taking children on this new learning adventure. The innovation, the community, the support that we have had is unsurpassed. If you wish to register your child, please call our school district. Ask for Sue McLeod. I'd be happy to talk with you, here, at a coffee shop, on the phone, or just anywhere that we would like to meet. See you later. Made it.